Hey there, Taurus. Welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be your reading for October 1st to the 15th. And if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. So, first, I'll be looking at the current situation. And basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. Also, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay? A quick tip as to for you to understand whether this reading is resonating with you. So if the current situation resonates, then pretty much the outcome will as well. Okay? So now let's begin and let's see what's going on with you currently, Taurus. What's going on with you, Taurus, currently? Three of Pentacles. The Tower. King of Wands. Four of Cups. Okay. Some idea is not working out. You thought that this way would work for you, but this is not working out. That's what I'm seeing from here. So the reason could be that, either someone has stepped in and has kind of confused you or has confused somebody in the picture. But overall, the problem is that there is something, okay? There was a way that you followed and that way is not working anymore. Okay? The King of Wands and Four of Cups here tells me that this could be to do with a woman or a man like you are interested in, and you feel a sense of connection, but then the other person, you're not very sure of the other person's intentions right now. So there is this element of confusion prevailing right now in your mind about this whole situation. Okay, the situation doesn't seem very, very nice at this point, to be honest. Like, you might be feeling that, okay, should I do it in this way or should I go for some other way? So those are thoughts in your mind currently, is what I'm picking up. So if this resonates, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Taurus, what can you expect in the coming 15 days? Coming 15 days for Taurus. Six of Swords. Temperance. The Fool and the Wheel of Fortune. Whatever is happening for the good. I see some more distance coming in, which will decide the fate of this relationship. Whatever this relationship is at this point, okay? You cannot control it anymore. It's not in your hands, Taurus. So this is something that you will have to understand. You have to release the idea of controlling this situation. You're trying your best, you're putting in a lot of effort, but that's not how it is going to work out. Going forward, you will have to release the whole idea of controlling this situation, because it is clearly not in your hands. It's not something that you can do anything about right now. Okay, that is what I am seeing here for you. All right, now if this resonated, let me see an advice for you here. What is the advice for you here, Taurus? The Hermit, the Lovers, and the Hierophant. See, you're stuck in some sort of a dilemma right now. Be in that dilemma, because it is important for you to dwell in it for some time so that you get clarity. That is the major message. So at this point, the universe wants to tell you, because this is becoming more of a universe message, Taurus, for you, that you got to let it be. It's not in your hands. You can't control everything. Okay, so just let it be the way it is going on at this point currently. Okay, you don't have to do too much. Just release the whole idea of controlling things at this point. Okay, I'm seeing that you got to just understand that certain decisions have a certain time, and that time will automatically trigger you to take that decision. Okay. All right, Taurus, so that's what I have for you. Let me know in the comments if this reading resonated with you. Leave it to time. That's what I'm seeing. And in fact, in the next 15 days also, this distance is only going to increase. So let it be there. It'll only make you clearer about which direction this is meant to go. See, honestly, even I cannot pick up where is this going. Okay? So I hope this reading resonated. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, my Instagram handle details are given in the description box below, so you can have a look at that. And let me know if you like this reading. And I'll see you guys soon again. Take care. Bye.